Here's how to register your team at IYBC 2022. First, visit our official website at www.iybc.or.id and click registration. After that, fill in your team and project data. Don't forget to make sure your data is filled in correctly.
And if you have finished it, you can click submit.
For your information, guys, we will send you the letter of acceptance, invoice, and drive link to your email no later than 3 days after registration. So what are you waiting for? Come join us and register your team now. See you in IYBC 2022!